Good morning, Emerald Park Navigators. I'm Ms. Orak, your principal, and I am here to welcome you to our April Navigator Awards virtual assembly. It's great to have another one of these. I want to say congratulations to all of the students who are winners and being acknowledged for their Navigator Way behavior, both in the remote environment and hybrid environment. You know, it's taken a lot of grit, one of our values, this year, and especially the last month, because we've had students who have new classmates, we have students who have new teachers, we have students who are in new learning environments. And so all of that change takes adjustment and persistence to get to a place where it's all working well and you're still learning. So thank you for that. I also want to say that I'm excited today because today was Earth Day. And it's a holiday I think is really important for all of us as we all live on the same planet. And I wanted to let you know that on the 29th, Thursday, we're going to have our Earth Day drive-through, our first one with the PTSA. And so we hope that you'll come at 5:30 and drive in a car, safely staying in your car. And maybe there'll be some neat things for you to collect and take home with you. Also, a week later, will be our virtual toy maker event. So if you come to the drive-thru, you can pick up a toy making kit, and then you can go online and join a Teams meeting with the toy maker who will help you guide you through making a new toy with your own hands at home. So that's what we're looking forward to, but let's get on to the awards.